Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox with the account that currently has two-step enabled. Once logged in, make sure you still have access to the email or authenticator that receives codes, because you will need to confirm identity. If you do not have access, stop and gather verification proof now. Continuing without access will require support. Make sure your session is secure, then proceed to the account settings where security options are managed. Now go to Settings, select Security, and locate two-step verification. Once there, you will be prompted to enter a current code from your email or authenticator. Enter it to prove ownership. After authentication, choose the option to disable or turn off two-step verification and confirm. Roblox will often ask you to re-enter your password. Once done, make sure to download or note any backup or recovery codes presented, because those help if you later complete the process by logging out and logging back in to verify two-step is off. This confirms settings took effect. If you encounter problems, codes not working or settings not saving, try clearing your browser cache, using a different device, or switching authenticator apps, then retry. If you remain unable to disable two-step due to lost access or errors, contact Roblox support and provide account details and proof of ownership so they can assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.